this is the tip of the week. Okay, if you're not drinking enough water because you're not doing anything, you're sitting around the house, no energy, not doing anything to actually want your body to feel the need to drink the water. Okay, so let me get my water first, and then we can talk about what other things you can do to get yourself to drink water.
Kangen water 9.5.
I drink Kangen water 9.5. All right, here it comes. We're going to make sure it's cold coming out. Then we're going to drink it. All right, this is my 3 glass thermos container. And we're going to drink this in just a minute. Okay, we got enough water in there. Let's turn it off. Okay. So, whoops. I got it all over myself. Okay. So I went and walked 8,000 steps a day. You think I need water? Yes, my body wants the water. So what have you done today to drink water? So you can go out there and dig a 3-foot deep hole and plant a tree. I bet your body will want some water. Or you can go out there and wash your car. You will definitely need some water. Washing the car out there in the hot sun, you will sweat and you will want the water. Or you can come in and clean your house and do something besides sitting around at the TV. So when your body feels the need, it will want to drink the water. So find something your body wants to do, and your body will say, drink the water. Okay, drink the water.